back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I was able to make this to put on my accessories and, well, my clothing too as well. I love these little hang tags because I'm able to use these for pop-up shops, and I'm able to have the price on the back of them so they won't have to ask me for the price. But also, so therefore when they get home, they'll have my website, and also they'll know where they bought the merchandise from. So the only thing you're going to be needing is actually a pack of Avery business cards. I don't know why I can't get that out. Avery business cards. And I'm going to link down below so you guys know the exact ones I use. Of course, you'll need a printer, and then of course you'll need your logo. So let's get right to it. We're going to go to www.avery.com/print. You may have to sign in here, but I'm already signed in, and you just type in the number that is on front of your Avery package. My number is 28371. We're going to close that. Start designing. Okay, so you have this one, which is business cards to print only on one side, business cards wide to print on both sides, or this one is business card tall print, which basically landscape. I want to do both sides, so I'm going to choose this middle one. Select this template. Okay, so here you can either choose to have the blank templates, or you can choose one of these and make it your own. So I'm going to choose this one, and you just click select this design. All right, so place text here. So I know I want to tell them about my social media handles. So I'm actually going to select all this, and I'm just going to put follow. That's not how you spell follow. Follow us. And my handle name is A Divine. Oops, shoot. And I'm going to make that smaller. I guess I should change the font. So you can just highlight it. Then over here, we're going to change it to, does 22 look good? Okay, 22. We'll try that out. So we're going to do 22, and we're going to move this up. I'm just going to resize all this. So I want here for, to have like the Facebook logo, Instagram logo. So I already have it downloaded to my computer. So I'm just going to click add image and browse for file. So this image I think is on my desktop. Nope, there it is. Okay, so here it is right here. Say if you don't, I'm gonna resize this too, so it kind of fits. There we go. Click on that, maybe bring that over right there. Okay, so if you don't already have this image, you can just, we're going to open a new tab and go to Google, and you can just type in like Facebook JPG, and then a whole bunch of Facebook images will pop up, and you can just click on images, and then you can just click the one that you want to use. Like which one did I use? I don't know which one I use. I use one like this, but see, this has wording on it down here. So if you save that one, it'll have the words on it. So you can just click any of these. You'll just right click on your mouse and then just save image as, and you can save it to your computer. But I already have mine on there. So that's how you get like the Facebook logo or Instagram logo or Twitter logo. So we'll go back. All right, so we have the Instagram and Facebook logo. Got follow us at. Here, I don't want this design. I believe I'm going to put my logo. Now, I want to add more text. So you just click add text box, and then a text box will pop up. So I want to put size here because I want to be able to put like a space for all my sizes, should I say? And then I want to put the price on here too as well. So therefore, when I do pop-up shops, people don't have to ask me for the price. It'll already be on here. So I want to change this font to this one. So I'm just going to highlight both of those. Go here, change the font to this Bella. Now this has it centered. It doesn't look right centered. So I'm going to click here and make it line up to the left. And then that's that. I actually want to move this up. So there. All right, so here I want to make sure that it has like lines so that I can like, oops, write. We're going to zoom that back out. Okay, I don't know what it is, but it's okay. So we're going to hit shift and go ahead and draw these lines out because that's what I want. And then here, I'm going to space and draw the lines out. Maybe a little further. Therefore, it'll have like the lines for me to write on. Okay, so now I want to go over here and select the image because I want to put my logo down there. So we're gonna browse. I don't know how I made all this smaller, but it's okay. Let me see, where's my logo? Here. I guess I can use this one. Choose this logo. Okay, so I want this logo somewhere down here. Okay, so that should be good. What happens if we hit enter? Okay, I just be wanting enough space to write. So this will actually be, it says the front of the sheet, which is perfectly fine. It doesn't matter. So I'm gonna do the back of the sheet, which is really going to be the front for me. So the back is really going to be the front because I did them backwards. But anyway, you can just hit select and customize. And here, I'll just want to add an image. And I'm just going to add my logo. That's all I want on the front. Yeah, that's... Okay. Sorry. But all right, so we're going to fit the screen. Okay, so now that we've added the logo, I just want to stretch it out so therefore it fits the entire front of the card. Oops, okay. Gives you warning signs because this is a little far out. Okay. So this right here is going to be the front of my card, even though it says back of the sheet. It says back of the sheet because I did the back first, but it's okay. And then the front of the sheet is going to look like this, but let's zoom in. Zoom in. All right, so this is what the front, it says front of the sheet, but this is actually the back. And this is what my front will look like. Okay. So then we're going to go over here to preview and print. So it has it extremely small. So we're going to zoom in. So this is what this side will look like, which is cool. So it just has the symbol, follows the A Divine Shoe, size, price, and then A Divine Shoe, our logo. So I'm going to hit print it for myself because I want to print it from home. And you can print on the front of the sheet, print on the back of the sheet. I want to print front and back of the sheet because I want the front side too. So get PDF. And it says we strongly recommend that you save it. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. And then you just hit download PDF. Alright, so this is what it'll look like. And then you can just print it off on your Avery sheets. So this will be the front. And this will be the back. Now all you have to do is just tag it to your clothing and you're ready. That's the front. And here's the back. You just gotta write the size and the price. And now your merchandise is tagged.